What if I told you there's a big amazing secret behind Microsoft and Nvidia working together on something new? Get ready because this isn't your usual tech update. We're about to go on a journey through something brand new and really special in the world of computers. Microsoft and Nvidia, two really big tech companies, have come up with something that's going to change how things work. And we've got all the information you need. This isn't just another new thing they're showing us. It's something mind-blowing. So are you excited to find out what's hidden in all this? Are you ready to learn about something that's way out of ordinary? Hold tight because this is going to be a ride you'll remember. The future is calling and we're here to uncover its secrets. Are you up for the adventure? So what's all the buzz about? Well, Microsoft and Nvidia have just dropped the bombshell about this cutting-edge AI supercomputer. And trust us, it's a game changer. This supercomputer isn't your ordinary machine. It's going to be one of the most powerful on the planet. Just imagine the possibilities. But what makes this AI supercomputer so special? It's all about the magic sauce. Microsoft Azure's advanced supercomputing infrastructure combined with Nvidia GPUs, top-notch networking, and full stack of AI software is like putting together all the best ingredients for a tech masterpiece. Now here's where things get really exciting. Microsoft and Nvidia aren't just collaborating, they're forming a dynamic duo that's set to conquer the AI universe. These two heavyweights are bringing their A-game to the table and the potential is enormous. The aim? To supercharge AI research and development like never before. Imagine the strides we can make in AI technology when these two juggernauts pool their resources and expertise. This partnership isn't just about fancy technology. It's about improving the way businesses and organizations operate. It's about making the world smarter, more efficient, and more connected. Now let's dive into the exciting details. First and foremost, let's talk about its sheer power. This remarkable supercomputer boasts an awe-inspiring peak performance of 1.5 exaflops. To put that into perspective, we're talking about a mind-blowing 1.5 quadrillion calculations per second. It's like the Usain Bolt of the computing world, leaving everything else in the dust. Now, what makes this supercomputer truly extraordinary is its heart. The 18,000 Nvidia A100 GPUs, which are the creme de la creme of AI accelerators. These GPUs are like the superheroes of processing, ensuring that this computer can tackle even the most complex tasks with ease. It's like having an army of AI geniuses at your disposal. But what about the environmental impact? You ask. Well, here's the impressive part. Despite its phenomenal power, the Nvidia Microsoft supercomputer is surprisingly energy efficient. It sips on a mere 5 megawatts of power, which is equivalent to what 5,000 average homes would consume. So it's not just a technological marvel, it's also environmentally responsible. And where does this powerhouse reside? It calls Microsoft Data Center in Quincy, Washington its home. Yes, nestled in the heart of the Pacific Northwest. This supercomputer is at the forefront of innovation and technology. Now the best part is yet to come. The Nvidia Microsoft supercomputer is not just a plaything for tech giants. It's here for the greater good, as it will be available to researchers and businesses around the world. This means that groundbreaking discoveries, innovative solutions, and new horizons in technology are now within reach for anyone with a vision. Now we move on to the potential applications that go beyond just crunching numbers. From AI research to revolutionizing businesses, these incredible machines are taking the world by storm. So let's break it down and understand how supercomputers are changing the game. First up, let's talk about how supercomputers are powering the world of AI research and development. These beasts are absolute champs when it comes to training large language models. You know, those chatbots and virtual assistants that sound so human. Yes, supercomputers are behind the scenes, making them smarter and more helpful every day. They're also busy developing new machine learning algorithms, pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. It's like the brain power behind the AI revolution. But wait, there's more. Supercomputers aren't just about AI. They're also scientists' best friends for conducting scientific simulation, from simulating the behavior of galaxies to predicting climate changes. These machines handle it all. They're like the modern-day wizards of science. And speaking of modern marvels, supercomputers are instrumental in designing new drugs and treatments. They can simulate the interactions between molecules, helping researchers discover potential life-saving solutions faster than ever before. Now, let's shift gears a bit and see how supercomputers are boosting our daily lives. Imagine a world with super efficient transportation systems where traffic jams are a thing of the past. Supercomputers are at the heart of making this dream a reality by optimizing routes and traffic signals. They're the invisible traffic wizards making your commute smoother. And for all you cybersecurity enthusiasts out there, this one's for you. Supercomputers are like the guardians of the digital realm, developing cutting-edge cybersecurity tools to keep your data safe. They're the unsung heroes protecting your online world from cyber threats. But wait, there's more. Businesses and organizations are also reaping the benefits supercomputers can automate tasks, taking repetitive work off your plate. They're like the ultimate efficiency boosters, allowing companies to do more with less effort. And when it comes to predictions, supercomputers are on point. They analyze mountains of data to help businesses make informed decisions. From predicting customer preferences to stock market trends, these machines are like crystal balls for business success. Improving customer service is another feather in their cap. Supercomputers can analyze customers' feedback and behavior to provide personalized experiences, making us all feel like VIPs. Now let's talk about something not so glamorous but crucial: identifying fraud. Supercomputers are relentless in sifting through data to spot anomalies and protect businesses from fraudulent activities. They're the vigilant watchdogs ensuring a safe digital environment. Additionally, they're instrumental in innovation. Supercomputers help businesses develop new products and services faster and more efficiently. From groundbreaking gadgets to revolutionary apps, they're the engines of innovation driving us into the future. We now move on to the benefits this partnership brings to the world of AI. Imagine you're building a house. Microsoft brings in a sturdy foundation, which is its expertise in cloud computing and AI. Nvidia, on the other hand, adds the beautiful finishing touches with its top-notch GPUs. It's like a match made in tech heaven. But what's the big deal, you ask? Well, this collaboration is like a magic potion for the development of new AI applications. Microsoft and Nvidia are pooling their knowledge and resources, which means they can cook up innovative AI solutions faster than ever before. This isn't just great for them, it's awesome news for businesses and organizations worldwide. Why? Because it means AI becomes more accessible. It's like having a superhighway to AI advancement. This isn't just about the big players, it's about making AI tools available to everyone. Whether you're a small business or giant corporation, this collaboration will open doors you never thought possible. In a nutshell, the Nvidia Microsoft supercomputer isn't just another piece of technology. It's a powerhouse of innovation. It's poised to redefine the limits of AI capabilities and promises to enhance our lives in unimaginable ways. Now here's the questions for all of you. What do you think will be the most groundbreaking application of this supercomputer in the near future? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more thrilling tech developments.